as I can say by the title, I will be doing a unboxing video. This video is not sponsored. This was purchased with my money, so I'm giving y'all my honest opinion. But I ordered some products from a company called
Manna.
And then so they just shipped it in this box. Let's turn around. Baby, oh, I'm gonna hit myself in the front. A lot of goodies. I love the satin hair bows because you don't have to worry about your hair coming out. It's like, I recommend satin hair bows. I'm gonna take out the package and show y'all everything. Another one, yeah. Also got a little massage hairbrush, like when you massage your hair when you're washing it. I'm gonna use that on my son's head. I also got edge brush, double-sided. I'm gonna open up. Then also, this is the Edge Control. Look at that name, the product, out the bag. This is the edge brush. Look at it. And this is like a rubber grip to it. My mouth hurt, y'all. I had got my teeth whitened today, or clean today, and this is the brush. And that's how that was, but this is how the hair bow looks outside of the wrap, and it has the company name on it. Hair massager brush. I love this. I love it. Here's the brown. Here's the hair growth oil that I purchased, the hair oil, and it I actually got it from my grandmother, but it said it helped people with extreme hair loss. So I'm really hoping that this works for her. I'm gonna take it outside, take it out the package. This is how it looks. Turn my brightness down. This is what y'all came for, the edge control. So let's open this up. Oh, it smells so good. It's not like you can eat it, but do not eat it. I do not recommend, do not eat it. But this is what it looks like. So we're gonna try it, because I just had like gel on it, but we're gonna see if this really works. So I'm just gonna try to brush this, because it's not, I don't really have that much on my head, so I'm pushing it back. Okay, pushing it back. Apply products to edges and smooth with fingertip or brush. And they say please do a patch test first. If irritation occurs, please discontinue use. So make sure y'all read your product, and also follow them on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Okay, y'all, let's see. I'm not the best with edges either, so. Ooh, I like how it just goes on so smooth. It's so smooth, like it's not sticky. I know what it said, but you know, I just got a little excited. Because my hair do not lay down, as y'all can see. I have it usually do not lay down. So, and I have that white stuff, this gel, y'all, I have in my head. I had to wash it. Y'all see how it was laying down? You don't have to do too much. Look at it. Like, when I really do my hair, my edge is gonna be laid. Anyways, y'all, that's the end of the video. I just wanted to show y'all how it looks on my edges. I didn't even have to apply a lot, so that's good. Usually with products you gotta apply so much for it to stay down, but as y'all can see, I only had put the edge of it, the tip of it, of the brush, and put it on my hair. Like, it's actually laying down. It's not going anywhere. But anyways, y'all, that's the end of this video. Hope y'all guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Like I said, this items, all these items was purchased with my own money. So if y'all want to check out this product for yourself, I will post it down below in the description. It's up to you. I'm not pressuring you, but y'all will be seeing it in more videos to come. But anyways, I love you guys. Stay blessed and stay safe. I'm out.